Want to lose weight fast and safely at home? Imagine a 14-day journey that could kickstart your weight loss journey and transform your life. Today we delve into a comprehensive 14-day home weight loss challenge that could help you lose up to 6 kilograms, fast, easy and safe. Day 1 sets the tone for the rest of the challenge. Focus on creating a balanced meal plan. Think lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Remember to hydrate, drinking at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Roll into day 2 with a heart-pumping cardio workout. Think jumping jacks, high knees, and mountain climbers. Aim for at least 30 minutes to get your heart rate up and those calories burning. Day 3 is all about strength training. Use bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. These exercises help build muscle, which in turn boosts your metabolism and aids in weight loss. Day 4, it's time for a rest day. But rest doesn't mean inactive. Engage in light activities like stretching or yoga. This is also a good day to check in with your mental health. Practice mindfulness or meditation to reduce stress and keep your mind focused on your goal. On the 5th day, you're back to cardio. Switch it up with different exercises to keep it interesting. You could do a dance workout or try a high-intensity interval training session. Day 6, return to strength training. Try different bodyweight exercises or increase the intensity of the ones you did on day 3. On the 7th day, rest and reflect. How do you feel? What changes have you noticed? Use this day to adjust your plan if needed. Repeat the cycle for the 2nd week. Remember, consistency is key. In summary, this 14-day home weight loss challenge involves a balanced diet, alternating cardio and strength training exercises, and regular rest days for both physical and mental recovery. Remember to hydrate and listen to your body throughout the challenge. You are not only losing weight, but also adopting a healthier lifestyle. So embark on this 14-day journey and witness the transformation that could happen. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Make that step today.